Well, Hank, are you going to miss us? We are headed to Laguna Seca for the Superbike races, and my favorite, the King of Baggers, the Hooligans. And they're going to have the Talent Cup with Kenny Roberts. He's got a racer in that series. We're going to tent camp. We have no reservations, so we're just going to try to sneak in a place that we're going to wing it. We're going to put our tent somewhere. And Hank wants to go. You want to go, Hank?
We're going to try and interview some of the teams. We're going to go down into the paddocks, see who we can talk to while we're down there.
Keanu Reeves is going to He's got his race team.
You guys. I got a special.
And she made a special shirt.
For the races. It's I, Keanu, Dogs and Motorcycles. So, yeah. I'm going to try and get him to sign it for me.
So, yeah. We're leaving our house. It's about 4 hours. 3.5, 4 hours. And we'll see how it goes. Oh, she sees more chickens. They got a pond over there with ducks and chickens. There's chickens right here. I don't know why she has to walk way over there to go see chickens. Hey, chickens. Well, we got a couple hours ago, I guess. We made it off the hill down to the valley. Stopped at the fruit yard, cooled off. Now we're gonna head across and we'll go across the coastal range to past Hollister and all that, and to Laguna Seca, Monterey, California. We're at the log cabin. Still on our way to Laguna Seca. It's a little country bar. A few people will know where this is at. What do you think of the log cabin?
Somebody's got hogs around here.
There's lots of hogs around here.
The four-legged kind, I can smell them.
Oh, we're gonna check this place out. The log cabin. Still on our way to Laguna Seca.
Yeah, still hot as hell. No, he said he was going to Monterey, and I was trying to talk to him.
Well, down there where those lights are, that's down in the pits, the bottom part of Laguna Seca. The top of this hill is the corkscrew. This is one of the straightaways on the other side. Here's where my bike's right here because I'm saving a spot for my buddy Steve. He's coming. So we're actually right here. Tomorrow I'll park my bike up here. Here's our little hideout. Back in the trees. Pretty cool spot. You'll see it better tomorrow. That's the way to the corkscrew. And then it goes around the mountain and down there. Oh, here's our camp setup during the day. The Super Sport race is going on right now. Got a pretty good view right from our tent. We've been walking around, but we got a TV screen right there that we can follow. And then we can see them down there. And they come around and then they come right back here behind us. We can just walk through that fence and watch them. Up there's the corkscrew. You can see the ocean earlier right out there, but the fog looks like it's coming in. We have a nice breeze right here too. We're in the shade. This is a pretty good camping spot. Steve finally made it. He raised his bike up, put a fairing on it. He's got a backrest, he just took it off. His comes on and off real easy. So yeah, we're all here. We're getting ready to, I think we're gonna go down to the pits. We just use the bikes to get around here. When you go up to the corkscrew, you can ride up there. When we want to go down there, we just ride. Once you're in the track, you can just ride around anywhere you need to go. Pretty much anywhere you can walk. This is about the sunniest it's been. We have pretty good shade right here.
This little guy was watching the races. He got spooked by people walking up. People being me. He was watching forever. As soon as he heard the bikes coming back around, he jumped back up to watch. Here they come again. Number one race fan. And singing along, and it picks up on the stupid video. In the end, It's like a souped up version of the first little bike I ever rode, 3 years old. Of course, I was not at the helm, I was on the back. What's your pup's name? It's Ari? Nari. Nari? Hi, bud. You working? You working hard today? Staying cool? Oh, you shake too? Oh, how old? Big Thai Saw Pup. We've got an 11-month-old Dalmatian mix. Hi, babies. I'm in so much trouble. I lied to my dogs and told them dogs aren't allowed. No, they they
Don't come home smelling like this.
Oh, I know, yeah, seriously. Alright. Very cool. Hi, sweet babies. I'll take a shower if I go home. They'll never know. Oh, yeah. Good job, baby. What's their names?
Tyson and Bubba.
Tyson and Bubba? You know, hi, Tyson. We're friends, huh? You know. You know.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
And DFS platforms all season long. Staying with you here on MotoAmerica Live Plus, and of course for all of the fans that are out here at WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna Seca. It's quiet before the storm, Roger. This is lunchtime break here at the racetrack, but it's a great opportunity for all of the fans that are on the site to be able to make their way over into the paddock for the Dunlop Paddock autograph session.
See some riders giving away knee pumps during that. A lot of memorabilia for sale as well from some of these riders. So
I got to give props to Rispoli because he won the challenge at Road America. This is my second of the year, so I just wanted to make sure he gets that. And yeah, it's been a fun morning. 27.5 on the baggers, ripping, and the Harley Davidson team has just done an incredible job this weekend. I want to say hi to my wife at home, Hannah. I miss you, baby. Got some diaper money. I'll bring it home to you.
Excellent. That money is going to a great place indeed. Congratulations.
The King of the Baggers challenge race earlier, but he's had some incredible speed, great collaborator early yesterday morning, and showing some real pace.
Are you having fun at the races?
Turn here, and he gets a run on Troy and all as they go out of turn 6.
Here comes Wayne Rainey. He'll be all in the red. He's paralyzed from the waist down, so. There he is. Number 2. Go through the corkscrew. You can watch the TV monitor. They're on the backside of that hill. Now they'll be coming down right there. There's Josh Herring with the big leads. He won last night.
What's your pup's name? Kona. Kona. Hi, Kona. You having a good time at the races? There's so many dogs this year.
There are.
Yeah. Hi, Kona.
Progressive Yamaha Racing, the number 50 plate of Bobby Vaughn! All right, so let's trophies up high, let's get some pictures. Let's make some noise for our top 3 riders, Cameron Beaubier, Josh Harris, and Bobby Vaughn.
What's his name?
Hank.
What is it?
Hank.
Hank. I have a rotten goat named Hank. Hank, you and your boots are adorable. Hank the Tank, I totally see it. Hi, sweet baby. You know, huh? I heard you're a. You can tell. Oh, I see. You was actually going for her. Oh, kisses.
He actually loves apples, so that's, yeah. He loves apples.
Hank the Tank is a lover.
I usually like simmer him and get all nice.
I got nothing but love for you, big guy. Yeah.
He's not gonna eat the whole
Enzo.
Enzo. Hi, Enzo. Oh, gorgeous. Enzo has got the spot.
They make them come in this little square for a while, then they release them. Here's a little behind the scenes. We were watching them earlier, they're changing the transmissions on all of these. That's Troy Herfoth, Tyler O'Hara. Lance Bass, 76. That's the number 1 from last year, is Troy Herfoth. Here's the Harley tent. There's Kyle Wyman's bike. He won yesterday by quite a bit. And he won the challenge. He won the challenge race. He won the $5,000 check. That's Kyle Wyman right there. There's James Rispoli's bike. Oh no, that's Brad Smith. James is down at the end. He came from MotoGP. Here's James Rispoli's bike right here. There's James Rispoli. Here's the Vance and Hine team. These are the guys we saw changing the transmissions. It looks like they're still working on them. The whole team. They're all pulling their transmissions out. There's Kyle Wyman's got his own race team. Kyle Wyman Racing. He races for Harley Davidson, but then he's got his own team. His own big rig and everything. Their bikes are all still in impound. It's for the Hooligan racing. I think they're just releasing them. They'll be coming back over here. Those are the guys that just raced. This is the Saddleman team. Their bikes do good. It's their Hooligan bike. And then their King of Baggers. see that run on my bike. To see most people run.
Keanu and Guard, the whole group are here. They just unveiled another race bike for this later on this season. They'll be two teams in the Super Hooligan class. This is more of their production bike. So this is the 1S. They make about 50 motorcycles a year right now. It's an S124 2038 cc.
So Yamaha all tore apart. These guys won today. They won the first race today. There's gonna be another one. Here's Josh Herring's team. He won yesterday, got second today. But there's another race. They got a makeup race, so they're gonna do 3 today. I don't know where his bike is. It was right there. That's their second bike. Man, look at the tank on that. I think this is their Hooligan bike. Oh no, that's Josh's bike. They just got the tank on. That's Josh's bike right there. He got second today. They leave the rain tires on until they get up to the pit on the track, and then they put their race tires on. I learned that today.
Hooligan races are a little bit, they're not yet. It's all warm up for the most part so far. This is the team. Jenna, can I ask you a question? How old were you when you first rode a motorcycle?
No more pictures. We gotta get going.
22? When did you decide it was for you forever?
Right.
So me being the super weirdo that I am, and I'm not into crowding people, I wear my Keanu shirt. There's Keanu, but I'm not gonna go bug the guy. Come on, he's busy. He's got everybody jocking his nuts up in here. There he goes. Hi, Keanu.
There's the bike they raced today. So here's where we parked the bike today. We just went right down in the right down in the paddock. Nobody stopped us. That's the pits for the track. You can see through each garage into the track. There's Arch Racing down here at the end because they got their canopy right there. That's Wayne Rainey.
Can I just give Wayne some knuckles, Wayne? You're the coach, baby, and we love you.
He's the one that owns this whole race. And if you've never heard of Wayne Rainey, then you have to Google him. He had a racing accident. That's why he's in the wheelchair. You don't. We're going to take a ride back to the paddock and then up to the top of that hill. And here's my bike. Look at where we parked. Oh, we're up at the Corkscrew. We rode the bike up here this time. This is one of the most famous corners in racing, especially motorcycle racing. Go check it out.
We are on second.
whole race if you want to see everything.
Gillum, after a very frustrating day yesterday, he's trying to put some times down. I think for Kyle,
coming over here.
he's not going to worry too much about Hayden Gillum as far as a race win. He knows that the championship is, he's got a pretty big lead, I think, right this round. So,
you can see the whole track this way. And you can watch that TV right here.
and his next potential victim is going to be Lawrence back.
To the fastest part of the track right over there. They really back it in with turn 5. Got him. Kyle Wyman's fast. Kyle Wyman won. Rocco got second. Hayden Gillum's bike blew up right here on the last lap. He blew up yesterday too. They always wait for the fans back here on the corkscrew. Josh Harry Here's Rocco, he got second. Yeah, he's got a passenger.
It's Chloe. Chloe, hi. Oh, Chloe. Oh my goodness, Chloe. You're into it, huh? You liking the races, Chloe?
She likes it. Some of the motorcycles are too loud.
Yeah.
Other than that, she's really good.
I'm surprised how calm most of the dogs are here with
they're
the
just like,
sounds.
yeah,
Yeah, seriously, they don't even care.
Well, we're back in the valley on our way home from Laguna Seca. We stopped at the log cabin again. We stopped here on the way there, and we're gonna stop here again. Steve kept going straight towards Modesto. We turned off. Hopefully he makes it home. His headlight kept going out. The wiring, he just put a new headlight, and it had different prongs than the one he did his bike. And it just started messing up. But he got it working again right before we split off. He thought it would keep going, so he's like, no, take off. All right. Anyway, we're gonna go in here and check it out.